Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura and this is Confident Notions. So today I'm gonna do another unboxing video. This is for this month's Lip Monthly. Well, actually it's last month's Lip Monthly. It's the November one because they always ship a little bit later in the month. So I think this came in the mail while I was away for Thanksgiving. Came home and found it. I've been carrying it around for a while for this month's Lip Monthly. I apologize, I look a little busted. I was supposed to run a 5K this morning. I got up, I was ready to go, and then about an hour and a half before, I got a really bad headache, and I instead went back to sleep. So my makeup ain't the best, and I didn't put on any lipstick, and I figured, well, you know what? I'm gonna cut open this Lip Monthly bag, and I know there's gonna be something for my lips in here, so I'm gonna put it on instead. Right. So let's see what we got inside. So, for those of you who do not know, Lip Monthly is a monthly lip subscription box, package, whatever. I think it is $12.95 a month, and they say you'll get 4 to 5 full-size lip products in there. It always comes in this cute little bag, and then you can open up and see what's inside. I think last month was the first month where they said that they weren't going, they wanted to do something a little bit different, and so they put a body glitter in there, which at first I was like, it is not, you know, $19.95. I don't need to cover myself in body glitter. But just last night I realized that it actually didn't make a bad highlighter. It wasn't like glitter glitter, it was just more like a shimmer. So I was like, maybe I'll try this for a highlighter. So let's get into this bag. Cute bag. I don't know, it doesn't feel very November-y to me, but maybe like, I mean the teal and the like this orangey peachy color, I guess that's like an alternative fall color. Anyways, inside you always do get this little card. They don't tell you what you get on it, but they do have a little note for you that says, welcome to the November 2019 bag. It's that time of the year again where the days begin to get shorter and the weather continues to get cooler for most of us. I'll be honest, I love me some cooler weather. I hate the summer. I'm one of the 5 people who don't like the sunlight. Fun fact, last time I went to the dermatologist and we were talking about, because I have a psoriasis and I've had it for a couple of years and we tried a couple of different things, and the last time I went, I was like, I thought you told me that like sun and like over the summer, like the psoriasis would get better. And she said, well, when people go outside and their skin sees the sun, it tends to help. But you clearly don't go outside. And I'm like, girl, seriously? She's like, it's not a bad thing. I'm not telling you to go outside, but you gotta go outside to have the healing effects of that. I'm like, look, dermatologists will never tell you to go outside. She's like, yeah, don't. Anyways, this month, your bag includes 3 amazing lippies and 1 non-lippy monthly mix-up from some of our favorite brands. Show us your bag for a chance to be featured in our Instagram. Enjoy your goodies. So let's see what we've got. First up, we got a coupon. So let's keep going. So this is a square, so it's probably not a lip thing. This is Freematic Eyeshadow by Douche. I don't know. It's an eyeshadow. It might be an eyeshadow by Douche. And this is number 20, Brittany Shimmer. Lip Monthly, you got a thing going for the shimmer. So I'll be honest, I'm not a big fan of like single eyeshadows because I tend to not know where they... I ain't never gonna find this. Look at this thing. It's like a little tiny square. What the hell am I gonna do with this? And it's like nestled in some velvet box, like it's a diamond. Seriously? Look, Lip Monthly, I'm down with some lip products, but when you give me this, I have like an SD card for my camera that's bigger than this. You can tell I'm annoyed when my head goes down like this and I stop standing straight up. So I'm gonna lose this and then we're gonna use it. All right, 3 lip products. What we got? So the first thing we get up is this jelly juice, and it is Trifle Cosmetics. I feel like we've seen this before, because I feel like I made some joke about trifling, because, you know, I'm from the 90s, 80s, whatever. So this is a yummy, glowy lip treatment made with a myriad of plant-based oils, vitamin E, shea butter, create the irresistible bouncy texture for your lips. This high shine tinted formula gives lips a juicy wash of color. It's infused with cranberry, raspberry extracts to help create a healthy, pouty face. And it's got a lot of, like, they don't have like gluten and it's vegan and all this stuff. Let's see what's in this box. You get this tiny little thing of jelly juice, okay. Got a little bit of stuff on it. Let's see. Oh, Lord, that be pink. No, red. I mean, it smells good. It smells real good. Ah. It feels like, I mean, it's cute. I needed that color. Need a little something on my lips. All right. Go get the makeup wipes right here. That's good. I mean, it's cute, right? I'm sure like the minute I drink something, which is, you know, within 7 seconds, it'll wipe off, but okay, not bad, not bad. It was pretty cute. Let's see, next thing up, so we got 2 more in here. The other thing we've got is this Lord and Berry Lip Pencil. It is a crayon lipstick in, I got no color on here. It's a crayon lipstick in this pinky pink color. These are not fall shades. Let's see what we've got. So that is a berry color. I already got this lip gloss on, so see how that looks. I don't dry my lips. Okay. I'll be honest, it's a little pink for me for this time of the year. I think maybe in the spring or summertime, I'd be down with it, but this is my season of dark colors and black and sweatshirts, and bright pink does not go with my aesthetic right now. So, Lord and Berry, whatever color you are, you cute, but not right now. And the last thing we have here is a Butterfly Berry Lip Scrub. It says it buffs away dead skin, moisturizes and revives lips for a radiant finish. So this little doodad here is a tiny thing of lip scrub, which is cute. You got a little doodad thing in here, and it's peony. That's cute. I'll be honest, I'm not really big onto lip scrub, so I'm gonna probably put this away in a giveaway or give to somebody for the holidays. So all in all, those are the 4 things we got in our Lip Monthly. I am a little disappointed in this month. We've had some better months with Lip Monthly. The tinted lip glow is cute. This is not a bad lip pencil. It's just not the right color for me for right now. And this is bullshit. So, Lip Monthly. I'm hoping that that December is a little more robust, and maybe we can get like some red lipstick. Well, I'll be honest, like December's Lip Monthly probably ain't gonna come until the end of the month or January, so maybe we get something that's a little more winter-y themed. So I don't think it was bad. Is it worth the $12.99? Probably this month. I mean, they don't charge you for shipping, so I mean, it's probably worth it. I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, I keep it. I like getting lip shit. So there's that. So that is my November Lip Monthly review. If you like these types of videos and you like to get unboxing videos and haul videos, then go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye.